Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see how to write cursive writing in capital letter from alphabet A to Z. So starting with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, Z. So hope it's clear how to write cursive writing in capital letter from A to Z. In next series, we will see how to write cursive writing in a small letters from alphabet A to Z. Friends, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel so that we are coming up with new videos every day so that you will be able to see it on our channel. Thank you.